Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have square root of t minus 2 is equals to minus 2, and we solve this problem for all the values of t. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. So here first we rewrite this equation as this is square root of t minus 2 is equals to this is minus 2, and we write this minus 2 as 2 multiplied by minus 1. And here we use the Euler's identity to solve this problem. And you know about that e to the power of iota pi is equals to cos of pi plus iota sine of pi, and this is equals to minus 1. So we replace this value of minus 1 is equals to e to the power of iota pi, and when we replace this value to the above equation, it will be written as square root of t minus 2 is equals to this will becomes 2 times e to the power of iota pi. So now here in the next step we apply squaring on both of the sides, and when we apply squaring it will be written as t minus 2 square root and its whole square equals to 2 times e to the power of iota pi and its whole square. So this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here t minus 2 is equals to, here we apply this square separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes here 2 square into e to the power of iota pi and its whole square. And now in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as t minus 2 is equals to this is 2 square and 2 square becomes 4, and this will be written as e to the power of 2 times of iota pi. So when we expand this e to the power of 2 iota pi in this way, it will be written as in this form. This will becomes here 4 times of cos 2 pi plus iota sine of 2 pi. Here we know about that the value of cos 2 pi is equals to 1 and the value of sine 2 pi is equals to 0. So when we substitute these two values here, it will be written as 4 only, and we have t minus 2 is equals to 4. So further we move minus 2 to the right hand side, and we get t is equals to 4 plus 2, and this implies that 4 plus 2 becomes here 6. So this is the value of t which we get here in the first method. And now in the next step we need to verify that is this value of t be the solution or is this value of t be the extraneous root. So for verification of this value, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is t minus 2 whole square root is equals to minus 2, and we substitute this value of t on into the left hand side, and it will becomes square root of 6 minus 2 whole square root is equals to minus 2. So 6 minus 2 becomes here square root of 4 is equals to minus 2, and square root of 4 becomes here 2 is equals to minus 2. So here you clearly see here this is the positive 2 and this is the negative 2. These two are not equal by each other, and you see here the value of t is equals to 6 is not satisfied over this question statement. So we call that t equals to 6 be the extraneous root of the given equation. And finally you see here we cannot get any other value of t which is satisfied our given question statement. So here we finally concludes about that this question has no solution in general. So this is our final answer which we get here from first method, and now we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method, we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is square root of t minus 2 is equals to minus 2. So here our second method is a very straightforward method or quick method, and here we quickly get the solutions out of this problem. So here we have in the second method we just directly apply squaring on both of the sides, and it will be written as t minus 2 square root and its whole square is equals to minus 2 and its whole square. And now in the next step, you see here this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here t minus 2 is equals to, here we see that this is minus 2 square, and minus 2 square becomes here 4. So further in the next step, we need to move this minus 2 to the right hand side, and it will be written as t is equals to 4 plus 2, and we easily get the value of t is equals to 4 plus 2 becomes here 6. So you see here in the second method, we easily get the value of t is equals to 6, but in the first method we already verified that this value of t is not satisfied our given question statement. So we conclude about that t equals to 6 be the extraneous root of the given equation because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And here we finally concludes about that this question has no solution because we cannot get any other value of t which is satisfied our given question statement. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.